Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing about how will we generate electricity using solar panels by using sunlight. When we start using sun to generate electricity by using solar panels, usually the solar panels will be generated electricity in direct current, which is DC current. So this DC current which will be passing through this charge controller. Solar panels start generating power. Usually the voltages will be in ups and downs. It will be in a huge range. So what this charge controller is going to do is it is going to do a normalizing of the voltages. Once the charge control does the normalization of voltage, what it does is it is going to send across to the battery bank where the batteries are getting charged by using these solar panels. When batteries getting charged here, these batteries will be in DC power, which is 12 volts or 24 volts batteries. Normally we use in our houses the AC power. So in order to convert from DC to AC, so we will be using a inverter here. If you can see, right, this is inverter which converts DC to AC current. So what happens is sometimes, so we will be generating power more than our requirement for our houses. That time what we do is we send across the power to the BESCOM or any electrical companies. If you can see, we will be switching on the light so that light will be glowing, and any other appliances which we wanted to use by using electricity we can utilize using this solar electricity. I hope you guys got a clarity on how the entire process of generation to utilization of power in our houses by using solar panels I've explained clearly in this video. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.